What's up, everybody? It's aka Phantom Paranormal. I'm trying a new experiment with a baby monitor. Now I got one here by Heidi. So Heidi, basically this part of the monitor receives. So if there's any strange sounds or phenomenon, this will pick it up. Hey Heidi, you try talking to your monitor. I'll go downstairs and I'll listen very closely, okay? Okay, we got Heidi there. Oops, wrong light. Wrong light. Got her. Got the laser grid on here too. See if I can record anything. Now I don't have a K2 because I'm probably going to get electrical interference with that. So because that's on. Alright, let's go downstairs and see if I pick up anything on the monitor. Got Tiffany over here. Hi Tiffany. I got your hairnet in your hair. Alright, get your hairnet out. Had her hair redone because her other hair was bad. She's designed so I can easily remove wigs and replace them if needed. Her hair's been redone. And then Kelly, I gave her new hair and gave her a new outfit there. Downstairs, and I have the baby monitor on, so you'll probably be able to hear any strange sounds. This is the receiver end of it. I'm gonna go right next to it, see if you hear anything. Sounds like something's rattling. A couple new dolls I picked up today. It's this shop. He's kind of like an Indian doll. He's gonna open and close eyes. And then I picked this up also at the thrift store here. It's pretty adorable. Cute little outfit on her. Now I got this monitor on the other side of the camera there. You don't see the monitor, but you can hear the sound. Let me know if you hear anything strange. The hell is that? It's definitely picking up something. Okay, I'm going to try another experiment, guys. Okay, I'm going to shut this off for a minute. I'm going to move this upstairs. Hopefully I don't get a feedback loop. Okay, if you get too close, you get a feedback loop. I'm going to bring this up here and then turn it on. I got Heidi up here. I still got the device on. Been hearing some really weird noises. Okay, she is just right over there, okay? Now I'm going to plug this in over here. And if I get a feedback loop, it'll make a high-pitched sound, so I got to be careful. Yeah, I'm a little too close. Too close to the monitor. Yeah, I'm too close, guys. I can't be that close to the other monitor because I'll get a feedback loop. So let me go back downstairs, and I do apologize. Yeah, I do that, I'm going to have getting a feedback loop. Yeah, that's not good. Let's go back down here, and I'll leave it on. Down here, I'm not getting a feedback loop, so I have to be quite far away. Get my jacket off. Getting hot. Whew. What? You changed position, dude? That's weird. Okay, that's enough for this experiment for the day. It's quite interesting. I heard a little bit of sound. Hear a lot of static in the background. There's little bubbles. Carolyn, that's crazy. Are you serious? Yeah, I can't have those devices too close because it will, you get what we call a feedback loop, unfortunately. So let me shut that off. So yeah, I had this by Heidi, and you were probably hearing sounds coming from her, because this is, as like I said, this is the receiver end of it. And that was interesting, Heidi. Daddy, love you. Quite interesting spirit in that now. These little bubbles. Alright guys, this has been an interesting experiment. This is Phantom Paranormal signing out.